Tawa or Tawantingsuyo. It's a very ancient code here in the Andes, and to the pre-Inca cultures and the Inca cultures. This is a very ancient universal code that talks about the four dimensions. At the same time, we can say like it's an order, a natural order of the cosmos, which is synthesized in the CHAKANA. This CHAKANA is a multidimensional meaning, and in this we understand from the microscopic level to the macrocosmos level the dimensions of creation. And one of the first in our world, in our inner world, as a human beings, we have four dimensions, four layers. In this we talk about the Kurkupacha, which is the physical dimension, the physical body. There is the Yuyay Pacha or the Uma Pacha, that's the mind dimension. There is the Kausai Pacha, which is the energy dimension of our being. And there is the Nuna, or others called the Ahayu. That's another dimension of our being, which is the deepest essence of our being. In this code of Tawa, which means the four dimensions, four codes, is a very complex, has a very complex meaning, which is in everything. Just also like in nature, the four stations, the four seasons of nature during the year, four cycles. At the same time, also our life in here in this planet, we born, and there is four stages. No, when we are baby, when we are teenager, when we are an adult, and when we are older, an elder. That's also the four stages. So there is many significance has these four dimensions, as the same with the four sacred elements: the sacred fire, the water, the earth, and the air. No? This is also when we talk about the four dimensions. This is something that is very present in the way that we do our practices, our ceremonies. There is all the time these four doorways, four directions, and there is also the way that we use the number four when we use, for example, the ancient way, which is Chakchapakui or Picturishun, which is the ancient practice of creating alchemy through the sacred coca leaves, which we use number four. No? And in this way we evoke this force of the four layers of the four dimensions. No? There is also four paths that we have and four principles. In the Inca path of life, we have the four essentials principles that can direct you to heal, to evolve, to transform to your full capacity as a human being. But there are also four pathways, which is Yachainiok, Monainiok, Yankainiok, Kamainiok. These are also four pathways, but also four dimensions to explore and to learn. They are a whole, each of these dimensions are a whole cosmos to explore in our lives. No? So, yeah, the number 4 is a very universal code, not only here in the Andes for the pre-Inca cultures and the Incas, but also in other parts of the world. There is the same code of which we call the CHAKANA, no? With 4 corners or 4 directions or 4 dimensions, which at the same time they are unification of everything that represents the cosmos, no? Yeah.